really know you're going to be able to make it out here on your own, being able to survive independently if you don't never get outside of your comfort zone. You know, a lot of people tend to complain about the situation that they're in and how they want to do better and how they need to do better, but they won't get out their comfort zone. Like they won't make any sacrifices. They won't eat peanut butter and jelly. They think they got to have the good stuff all the time. You know what I mean? In life, man, I learned sometimes you got to be able to use what's needed. You know, it's an old scripture in the Old Testament that says, you know, pretty much that God made everything simple, but man himself has complicated it. So, you know, sometimes we just have to step out the way and simplify things and be willing to lead by example. You know, like me going on the road right now to go do this contract and network and open up some more doors for some other independent welders or other installers that want to get out here in the field to just see someone actually doing it. Yeah, you can do it, bro. You really can. But you have to get outside of your comfort zone. You have to believe in yourself. And you most definitely have to be about actions. Hold on.